Narcos, Mexico. The tale of a Mexican African blown away in Bilbao. We wanted to meet with you because we want to know why in all of Spain you want to go to Bilbao, the gentleman who stared me dead in the eye from across the table said. I won't lie, I felt like I was being interrogated exactly like things go down on Narcos, Mexico. Note to self, stop watching so much series or you risk your life becoming one. It takes something to get me hooked on a series, and when I find it, like Netflix's Narcos, I can't let go. So when I was told I was heading to Spain to interview the cast of the 4th season of Narcos, Mexico, it felt like Christmas had come 2 months early. The series tells the story of the drug trade and formation of the cartel in Mexico, so I needed to prepare. After many hours of studying scenes from Narcos, I decided a leather jacket and my obsession with the series was all the prep needed. The destination was Bilbao in northern Spain, a place locals like to say rains more than London. Luckily, I packed a raincoat. I was getting ready for my role as chief interrogator of the cast, which includes Alyssa Diaz as Mica Camarena, Diego Luna as Miguel Angel Felix Gallardo and Michael Pina as Enrique Kiki Camarena. But I would have to go through an interrogation of my own when applying for a visa to visit Spain. Luckily, when I explained my reasons for visiting, they welcomed me with a smile. Visiting northern Spain was like visiting a postcard of old Europe. The streets are narrow and the people are friendly. The weather is also misleading, so you think you are in summer but then suddenly it rains. So, unlike some of the bad guys on Narcos, Mexico, I wasn't killing the blend-in game and got loads of curious looks as I walked down the streets with my knobby knees on full display. This old port city, which was the center of Spain's of industry several decades ago, was destined to die as modern technology made Madrid and Barcelona the new key cities. But, like policeman Kiki in Narcos, Mexico, the city was not going down without a fight, and its leaders invested in bringing the iconic Guggenheim Art Museum to revitalize the city. Its cathedrals and old stations lie just across the river from a business hub of high-rise buildings and luxury brand stores. The two connected by artistic bridges and an underground subway designed by some of the world's best creative engineers. It is like walking into the future. Sitting in a room with the cast of the show, we all admire the beautiful view of the city beyond. Like the city blending struggle with beauty, they are working to show the grit of the streets at the height of the drug cartels in an artistic form. They stress that they want to do this without glorifying crime and drugs. Look out for these interviews in the coming days. Walking out of that room and into the warm sun, I felt like an outlaw. A man trying to find his place in the city. This is why I came to Bilbao.